Let's fucking see this shit.
Ready?
Yeah. Fuck. Oh,
He snaps it back into place, bro. That shit's broken.
I like the smile on his face, though. Look at him. He's like, yeah, I did that. It's literally the same bush, just a different video. At night.
Ow! I burned my hand! At night. Night, 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 night! Will you please?
Closer. How come you didn't pull in the driveway?
What the fuck do you want me to pull in the driveway for?
Pull in the driveway, dude.
Yeah,
And then we're gonna pull your car up, and then
We're not doing that.
we're not doing that.
No, there's a recycling bin in the way.
We can fucking move this.
George is in the way. Look at this.
Welcome to Club Gay.
Whose house is this?
Dude, we were here last video.
Yeah, George. What's that?
Back, man.
What is this?
Fucking 2 months later.
Was it 2 months? Holy shit! Last time we saw this, I'll post a clip right here. Oh shit, he just came out of a bush. Let's fucking see this thing. Nobody's seen this thing in fucking months, dog. Oh shit. You got a battery now? That's nice.
That wasn't there before.
What the fuck? Look at that.
That's my second battery.
That's your second battery? Nice. This thing looks fucking disgusting.
That was your radio. That's my second radio. It's both. It's your exactly.
So what's your favorite part about this thing?
That I just have it back.
I was just gonna say that. That's cute. Well, stop fucking blowing it up.
It's not like I wanted to.
No, he likes blowing it up. This thing looks
I like
fucking...
blowing. I like blowing it. Whoa.
Whoa. Intro. All right, well, while we're here, Roger got a hood scoop replacement. We'll see that in a minute. You guys remember this thing? We were just here last video. Oh shit. Damn, yours is gonna look like a bitch compared to that.
Sure was.
That goes, yeah, that goes right on the intercooler.
Engine cover.
Do a little mock-up. Oh, that's gonna look fucking sick. What else did you install?
Oh, that would have been great if the door was on.
What? Oh shit. Look at that. You guys saw a sneak peek last video, but look at that. Holy shit. And it smells nice in here. Race car.
I don't know what I'm doing. Taco Bell. Sponsor.
Alright, so one of the other reasons why we're filming tonight, fucking deep of the night, is not only to show off the hood scoop, but George wanted to show off... What the fuck was that? Nice. Yeah, fixed. Done.
Anyways.
And we got back from Pro. Oh shit, look at those.
Got some nice taillights.
New taillights. New
taillights.
taillights, new bitch, new who dis.
Yep.
She got a new engine, new ass. This ain't even the same bitch.
It isn't. I got some luggies.
Damn, she get a new head?
I wish.
No head.
Well, I got a new short block head. I don't know.
New base, yeah. Oh yeah, and then this is your
Got
your scoop. Oh no, that's your door jam.
my scoop is in
your
here.
door shits.
I'm not as like, you know.
It's just a layover.
It's a cover.
Yeah, it's a layover.
It's a
You don't say it's a cover. That's what you put on Ford Fusions. This is a layover. I didn't say that. You guys fucking enough?
I'm still intact. You still intact?
All right. Then we just gotta peel this bitch back and get these taillights going.
Peel this muffin cap back blue.
What?
What?
Not that we have any content towards this taillight right now, but was it 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4? 4 bolts. Okay. What year is this?
It's a 2035 Subaru WRX. It's a 14.
Damn, she a 14?
Yeah, because I'm 14.
If you're 14, she's 14. What? Oh, fuck.
Damn, that shit was fucking a little crusty.
That shit's been on there since 2013. Fucking hell.
That shit's been on there since the car came out of the
That's
fucking
a
factory.
fucking decade-old taillight coming out. Oh shit, what's that? Something's ripped.
No, that's the...
Fuck, you need new taillights.
That's the fucking thing here, the sealant. Don't.
Sealant?
Sealant gasket.
There's no sealant out here.
Sealant gasket. Whatever the fuck this... it's like a seal, whatever the fuck.
Fuck yeah. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh.
Well done.
Nice.
Start driving without
Fucking weight reduction. Look at that fucking thing. She fucking lost an eye. Or
no, we just gotta know
is
how
it now?
does the resistor go on this one.
What the fuck is that? That don't have that.
That don't have that.
Remember that one time Church bought the wrong taillights?
Did you really?
Yeah. You don't remember the video? I'll post the link right here. All right. Slight inconvenience. Church may have bought the wrong taillights. Cause
This is the only taillights.
yeah. Oh. They're not like fitting in correctly.
No direction.
No direction?
So does this get plugged in anything? We're winging it. It has to get plugged in somewhere.
We have 3 and 2.
You don't have an amber light anymore, right?
Yeah, technically there won't be an amber light because it would be the like the sequential part and the LEDs.
Oh.
I think we're missing something, bro.
No direction?
No direction.
Sure, why?
So what's the problem?
Facebook Marketplace doesn't really help.
No? Oh, you never felt that. So now Roger's got to do what?
Roger's gonna do some electrical shit and tap it in. At
What
least-
the fuck? What are we, electricians? Back to the light, dog.
Pretty much.
Fucking
I can't do what I'm trying to do if you put it on the phone.
I know. I was just making...
damn, he fucking said fuck your shit. He's over here just fucking playing doctor again. In surgery. Fucking just shocked him. God damn it, George. We're still out here
It's midnight.
doing fucking surgery.
And we're still on the one side.
Don't buy your taillights off Facebook Marketplace. And why are we doing this at night? Why
Because
can't
you were
we-
working.
Okay, but why can't we do this on like a nice Sunday morning? Fucking, you know, get like some bagels or something. But no, we gotta
No.
fucking do this
Is it that one?
at night, in the cold. Doesn't sound good.
Don't worry. It
Doesn't sound good. Trunk's all fucked up.
doesn't matter.
Look at that. Franken wire and shit. This thing was unmolested, and then George fucking was like, you know what? Fucking APR, I'm buying it.
Give it a little click.
Okay.
Got that one. No.
I don't see anything else. I see one light working. Oh shit, that's bright.
Okay.
Okay, the LED works. Turn on your headlight.
What was it?
Turn on your headlight. Okay, that works. And now put it in reverse.
Wait a second.
Hazard works. And reverse works. Alright, done. Fucking easy feezy. Look at that. We fucking did it. It all works now.
Sweet.
Now it's just.
You want to know what's crazy?
What's crazy?
You guys saw it. I did it.
Yeah,
It's on my
now the viewers saw it too. They saw it all before
That
you.
is true. That is true.
Now how are we gonna fit all that back in
Shut
there? Goddamn. Can't get it back in.
Okay.
I was gonna say. So then, where does that piece plug into? Or it doesn't.
Doesn't.
It doesn't.
So the resistor that came with these is like a plug-in box.
Get yourself one of these. A Roger. He'll fix anything. The fuck are you guys doing in there?
You know.
Oh shit.
You know what, actually?
What?
I was gonna say, if I put my seats down,
What?
you sit. If I put my seats down, you just sit in the back. You can just record through there.
It's not a bad idea, actually. Let's do that. It didn't fucking work out. He's got too much fucking shit in his trunk. Can't fucking see shit back here. It was a bad idea.
Oh, and I still need to get that third brake in. No way, are you serious?
Yeah, it taps into these wires. Where else would it tap into?
Get her out.
It's all the screws, right? You got them all off?
Pull, bitch.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Oh, shit. Is that a wasp nest? Seems it.
That'd be funny if it was.
Fucking, we all just fucking get shot up. I'd be so fucking mad at you. Fuck you.
That'd be wild for that to be in here.
Did you say B?
Where?
Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Michael with a B, and I've been afraid of insects my entire
Stop. Where?
Where's the B?
There's a B.
Yeah, we literally are cleaning one side, but we said fuck it on the other side. So one side's gonna be nice and clean, George.
You know what I just noticed, and I was trying to look for? I was trying to find my touch-up paint because that's gonna be shown right there.
Everybody's gonna point that out in the fucking car meet too.
Yep.
You're
Look at that.
you're so fucked. How you gonna show up?
By not showing up.
Hey George. 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 You have a taillight out. What? Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out what that switch did. Or was it going in finally?
Yeah. 2 hours later.
Yeah, we're still out here. I'm on Applebee's.
2 a.m.
Is it 2 a.m.? Fair enough. I got work tomorrow. Or today. That would be pretty fucking funny if he did give you 2 left sides. Is it in?
I don't know.
Shit. George, your check engine light came on. Yeah, oh yeah, Roger had the hardest time
I
trying
never
to...
sold them. I still have them there. I have 2 sets of taillights.
Bro, you were trying for so long to sell those fucking things.
I have 2 sets of stock taillights.
What'd you start with? What was the starting price?
$50.
$50, and what'd you get it down to until you gave up?
I got 0 messages.
For $50 stock OEM taillights? Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Nobody wants them.
Do you like them?
I do like them, but it sucks that I won't be able to see it. But I'm gonna be driving the car.
Church will see it.
Church will see it. And then he's gonna want taillights.
That's true.
Cut that out. Everyone do me a favor, comment on this video. Tell this motherfucker he needs wheels. Thank you.
No, I like the stock wheels. Plus, wheels are less expensive. What am I supposed to do? Get fucking white wheels like everyone else in this fucking crew? Fucking hell.
Fiber one.
Fiber wheels.